that it doesn't get tired at all. I wish you all love yourself the same way and understand your own glory. At the very outset, we have to understand not to feel guilty at all about anything whatsoever, because you forget your past. Not to feel guilty. You are not to say that you have done this wrong, that wrong, not to count any mistakes. After all, you are human beings. And only human beings can make mistakes. You are not God. So there is nothing to condemn yourself for anything, because now if you have to enter into the kingdom of God, why should you condemn yourself? You should be in a very pleasant mood towards yourself, very pleasantly placed, and know that you are a human being and a little journey has to be done. It's very simple. I really tell you, it's very simple. So do not go into any depression, or some people also feel all the time, will I get it or not? You will all get it, I tell you. I verily say you'll all get it. But don't be diffident about it. With this, let us start now. I'll tell you, you put your left hand towards me like this to begin with. Later on, we'll go into a real awakening, but just now I'll tell you how to do it. Left hand towards me, symbolically you are expressing your desire that you want to have your self-realization. Then your right hand, you put it on your heart, which is a center where resides the spirit. In human beings, it resides in the heart. So first we put it in the heart. Then we put our hand on the upper part of our abdomen on the left hand side. We work out everything on the left hand side. Now here is the center of your mastery, which is created by all the prophets and all the masters for us. So here you place it in the upper part of your abdomen on the left hand side. Then you place it in the lower part of your abdomen, on the left hand side. This is a very important center, because this is the center which manifests true knowledge on your nervous system. So this is also a very important center. Then you raise your Kundalini by putting your hand on the center of the master, that is the upper part of your abdomen on the left hand side. Press it hard. Now, then you press again your hand on your heart. Now, you take your hand and put it in the corner of your neck and your shoulder and turn your head to your right. This is the center you catch when you feel guilty. You feel diffident and you try to debase yourself. This is the center you catch. So you put your hand to your right. Your hand on the left side, but your head to your right. Now, stretch your hand and put the center of your palm Then you have to put your hand on the forehead, across. Now this is the center, and bend your head, where you have to ask for forgiveness for others. Means you have to say, I forgive everyone. Now, some will say that is very difficult to forgive, but whether you forgive or you don't forgive, it's a myth. So, if you don't forgive, then you play into wrong hands. So better is to forgive. I find it's very difficult for people to forgive others, even to say that. And then when they come to me, I find they have not forgiven and they have not felt the vibration. So from your heart you have to forgive when I tell you. Now put your hand on the back side of your head and push back your head on it. Here you have to ask for forgiveness from Divine without counting your mistakes, without feeling guilty, just for your satisfaction. Now you have to stretch your hand and put the center of your palm on top of your head, bending your head just here where there's a fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood. So put your right hand on top of that and press it hard, pushing back your fingers, and move your scalp clockwise, slowly, 7 times you have to move, but that I'll tell you later on after you close your eyes. Just now you move it 7 times. Now you may have to close your eyes. Please don't open your eyes because there's no mesmerism in it. Moreover, your attention has to be drawn inside. So it's better to close your eyes. It will help you a lot if you keep your eyes closed till I tell you to open. Now please place your left hand towards me. And now close your eyes, keep your feet apart, and put your right hand on your heart and close your eyes. You can take out your spectacles also because it helps your eyesight. Now when you have put your hand on your heart, you have to ask me a very important question. You may call me Shri Mataji if you can, or you can call me Mother, whichever suits you. Mother, am I the spirit? Ask this question 3 times. In your heart, ask the question, Mother, am I the spirit? If you are the spirit, then you are your guide, you are your master. And all the prophets have built in a center in your being. On the left-hand side of your abdomen, in the upper part, you place your hand and press it hard. And here you ask me another question 3 times. Mother, am I my master? Mother, am I my guide? Ask this question 3 times. Now please put your right hand in the lower part of your abdomen on the left hand side. As I told you, this is the center of pure knowledge which manifests on your central nervous system. But I cannot force on you. You are free to choose. I respect your freedom. So unless and until you ask me, I cannot bestow anything like that or force you to accept anything. So you have to say, Mother, please give me pure knowledge. Please say it 6 times because this center has got 6 petals. When you ask for pure knowledge, the Kundalini starts moving upward. So we have to open the upper centers with our self-confidence. Raise your right hand in the upper part of the abdomen on the left hand side and say with full confidence in yourself 10 times, Mother, I am my own master. Please say it 10 times. Now the greatest truth about you is that you are not this body. You are not this mind. You are not this intellect. You are not your conditioning. You are not your emotions. You are not your ego. But you are the spirit. So please raise your hand on your heart again and say with full confidence 12 times, Mother, I am the spirit. Please say it 12 times without doubting yourself. Please say it with full confidence 12 times, Mother, I am the spirit, which you are. Now, we have to know that the divine is the ocean of love and knowledge. It is the ocean of compassion and bliss. But above all, it is the ocean of forgiveness. And whatever mistakes we have committed can be easily dissolved by that ocean. So we have to forgive ourselves, and we have to put our hand in the corner of our shoulder and our neck and turn our head to our right. And here with full confidence we have to say 16 times, full confidence, Mother, I am not guilty at all. Please say it full confidence. You are not. Let the Kundalini judge you. You don't judge yourself and condemn yourself. Now put your hand as far as you can take it towards your spinal cord and turn your head to your right. As I have told you, that we have to forgive everyone. You don't have to remember whom you have to forgive, what they have done to you, what is their mistake and why they have tortured you. Nothing is to be remembered. At this present moment, we have to know that we have to forgive them. And this is the greatest weapon we have got, that we can forgive everyone, by which we neutralize them completely. They cannot be effective on us. And let the divine look after them. So now here you put your hand on your forehead across and bend your head and press it hard on both the sides. Here you have to say from your heart, not how many times, Mother, I forgive everyone. Believe me, only saying this from your heart will feel very much relieved, very much relieved. Please say that. Mother, I forgive everyone. Now take back your hand, put it on the back side of your head, what we call as the optic lobe area, and push your head on top of it and let it rest on it. And here you have to say, without thinking about your guilt, your mistakes or anything, just for your satisfaction, you have to say, O Divine, if we have done any mistakes, if I have done any mistakes, please forgive me. It's for your satisfaction. But please do not try to find faults with yourself. Now, stretch your hand. And the center of your hand, Please put it on to the soft bone that was in your childhood, called as fontanelle bone area, and press it hard, bending your head, push back your fingers, and now you have to move it 7 times very slowly clockwise. But before that, I'm sorry that I cannot cross your freedom. In your freedom, you have to ask for your self-realization. It cannot be forced. It's too precious to be forced on anyone. So you have to say that, Mother, please give me my self-realization. And move it 7 times, slowly, clockwise, pressing it very hard, pushing back your fingers, slowly, very slowly, please do it. Now take down your hands. Open your eyes. Slowly put both the hands towards me. Now put the right hand like this, little forward. Bend your head and see from your fontanelle bone area if you get a cool breeze coming out. But don't touch it. Keep it away and see for yourself. Some people get it very far away. So be careful and watch. And see for yourself if you get the cool breeze coming out of your head. Now don't doubt it. Some people might get heat coming out. It's all right. The heat has to come out first and then the cool will come. Now put the left hand towards me, please, and bend your head and see for yourself if the cool breeze is coming out of your head. As it is, you are becoming thoughtless and the peace is being established within you. But you see for yourself that the cool breeze is coming out of your head. Now last of all, again put your right hand towards me. Please, again bend your head and see for yourself carefully if there's a cool breeze coming out of your head. Now, raise your both the hands towards the sky and bend back and ask a question. One of these questions you ask, Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? Mother, is this the Ruh, the all-pervading power of love of God? Or Mother, is this the Brahma Chaitanya? Ask any one of these questions 3 times. Now put down your hands, please. Now watch me. You can watch me without thinking. Now see in your hands if you are feeling the cool breeze. Maybe 1 or 2 fingers, maybe a little bit burning, doesn't matter, suggesting your centers. Now those who have felt the cool breeze out of their head or on their fingertips, please raise both your hands. Such a lot of people have already felt it. May God bless you all. I'm sorry I've come only for 1 day here and tomorrow I'll be leaving. But in any case, I would like to meet you if possible and see for myself. And I hope those who haven't got it will also get it. It is already flowing, see now, you can feel it. It's flowing very much. Just see. Sometimes if this center is not all right, but if you have not forgiven also, if you have not forgiven, some people might be feeling such a lot of breeze, I can feel it. If you have not forgiven also, sometimes you don't feel it. Please forgive. And then come and see me if you want to. You can come round. I would like to meet you.
Mother, can I come up and see you?
Yes, please. Please, you're welcome. What's that? All right, let's keep it like this. One by one, please. May God bless you. Okay?
Could you please put your attention on my son that's been missing for 3 years?
Which one? Which one?
This boy. I've had you in my heart for 3 years.
Really?
Yes, and I've
What's his name?
Matthew. Matthew.
Matthew. He sent you this photograph?
Yes, he's been missing in India for 3 years. And that's
Where did you go to India?
Yes, and that's where I got my realization in Kathmandu with Lisa.
Really?
Yeah, 3 years ago.
Oh God.
So I've been carrying around
Yeah.
you, and this has been,
Oh great.
Yeah.
Now we have a nice center here.
yes,
Good.
lovely.
Lisa is doing a good job, I must say.
Wonderful. So I'd just like you to put your attention on my
Yes, all
son
right.
to bring him home.
And may God bless you.
Thank you.
Hello.
I just wanted to ask you a quick question. Do you sound to open the centers? The sound? No, you sound, right?
Just the Kundalini. See? And
Just those techniques like you showed us now? Not so much.
Directions to help you with the
Well,
meditation.
I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not.
I will see.
Oh, yeah.
Just forgive. Just forgive. Forgive everything. Simple. Say Mother and forgive. Say now. Mother and forgive.
We would like to also make another announcement
Yeah.
Again.
regarding
Spirit, our mother.
following up with your self-realization. We will have regular weekly meeting on Wednesday evenings at the St. Paul Center of Trinity. It's at 427 Grove Street West. It's near Savannah. It's the St. Paul Center of Trinity. Wednesday evenings, and this Sunday, June 18th, at 10
Quite a
a.m.
number of people come to the
We will also have a meeting that will be just that Sunday, but if there are a number of people who are interested in having the meeting
That's why I'm learning.
repeat on Sunday, we might think of arrange that if there's interest there. So this Sunday
Yes.
is June the 18th at 10 a.m. at the St. Paul Center of Trinity. It's on Grove Street, just west of Savannah. And if you pick up the literature at the back, all the information is there, and also some telephone numbers that you can call to ask any questions about
चित्र बिना में जहाँ पे आएंगे तो सुनना आपको सुनना
I want to move around.
That is the real solution. Don't allow them to do it.
What does it do to the health?
You will feel something rising up.
So you must be there doing something wrong.